Dear Sahabat guests, we have just landed at Minangkabau, the International Airport of Padang Pariaman. Please remain seated and fasten your seatbelt until the aircraft has come to complete stop and the fasten seatbelt sign has been switched off. Please pay attention when opening the luggage bin as some items may fall out, and before disembarking, please check your personal belongings so there is nothing left behind. We would like to say goodbye to all passengers and thank you for flying with Super Airjet. Untuk supporter yang kembalikan penerbangan Anda diminta turut kurang tunggu dengan membawa serta serbar bawaan kabin Anda. Terima kasih. For transit passengers, please proceed to the transit lounge without personal belongings. Thank you.